Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now let's dive into what makes Jajangmyeon special, its key ingredients, variations, and how it became a favorite across generations. The final secret to an unforgettable Jajangmyeon sauce lies in its signature consistency. You want a sauce that is thick and glossy, one that beautifully coats every strand of noodle. To achieve this, you need a cornstarch slurry. Here is how to do it right. Prepare the slurry. Mix cornstarch with a small amount of cold water until it forms a smooth, lump-free liquid. It is important to use cold water to prevent lumps from forming. Gradual addition. Slowly pour this slurry into your simmering sauce while continuously stirring. Do not just dump it all in at once. Constant stirring. Keep stirring as you add the slurry. This helps distribute the cornstarch evenly and prevents any clumping. As the sauce heats up, you will see it transform. It will thicken into that familiar rich, glossy texture. This thoughtful addition ensures your Jajangmyeon sauce has the perfect consistency. It makes sure the sauce clings to the noodles as it should, making each bite a satisfying and flavorful experience. Variations and modern twists on classic black bean noodles. While the classic Jajangmyeon is a beloved staple, the versatility of the black bean sauce allows for many exciting variations. These modern twists highlight how chefs and home cooks alike adapt this iconic dish to different tastes and preferences. You'll find versions that celebrate seafood, focus on intense flavors, or even transform the way the sauce is enjoyed. Samson Jajangmyeon, the seafood lover's delight. For those who love the taste of the ocean, Samson Jajangmyeon offers a delightful twist on the traditional recipe. This version goes beyond the usual pork and vegetables, featuring a generous amount of various seafood. Imagine plump shrimp, tender calamari, and sweet mussels all stir-fried into the rich black bean sauce. This addition creates a more complex and richer umami profile, adding a refreshing brininess that perfectly complements the savory notes of the hunjang. It's a fantastic option if you want to explore a different depth of flavor in your black bean noodles. Jajangmyeon, the dry sauce experience. Jajangmyeon presents a unique take, often favored by those looking for a more intense flavor. The most striking difference here is how the sauce is served. Instead of being poured directly over the noodles, the sauce arrives separately. This sauce is also typically less watery than its classic counterpart. This drier preparation allows for a concentrated, more robust taste of the black bean paste and its accompanying ingredients. You will often notice it contains more diced ingredients and less broth, making each spoonful a powerful burst of flavor. When you mix it with the noodles yourself, you control how much sauce goes into each bite, offering a personalized touch to your meal. Jajangmyeon, enjoying the sauce with rice. Who says black bean sauce is only for noodles? Jajangmyeon offers a comforting alternative for enjoying the rich hunjang sauce. In this dish, the savory black bean sauce is served over a steaming bed of rice instead of traditional noodles. It creates a satisfying and hearty meal, perfect for any time of day. Often, you'll find it topped with a perfectly fried egg, its runny yolk adding an extra layer of richness when mixed into the sauce and rice. It is a simple yet delicious way to savor all the flavors of Jajangmyeon, catering to rice lovers or anyone looking for a different texture experience. Homemade versus restaurant Jajangmyeon, what to expect? There is a noticeable difference between Jajangmyeon made at home and what you get from a Korean Chinese restaurant. Restaurant versions often have a deeper, more robust flavor. This comes from their use of higher heat cooking methods and typically larger quantities of hunjang and oil. They also might have special wok techniques that infuse the dish with a smoky wok hay flavor. Achieving restaurant quality taste at home is certainly possible, though it requires attention to detail. Here are some tips to help you get closer. Properly brown your hunjang. This step is crucial for deepening the flavor. Do not rush it. Agere your onions. Sweet, browned onions add a lot of depth. Use enough oil. It helps to create that rich, glistening sauce. High heat stir frying. If your stove allows, use higher heat for that restaurant-style sizzle. Consider a splash of oyster sauce. Some home cooks add a touch for extra umami. While your homemade version may not have the exact same char as a professional wok, focusing on these elements will bring you very close to that beloved restaurant experience. Serving suggestions and complimentary side dishes. Enjoying jajangmyeon is about more than just the noodles. It involves the perfect combination of side dishes and drinks. These additions cut through the richness of the black bean sauce and enhance your eating experience. Let's look at how to best enjoy this beloved Korean dish. Classic pairings, danmuji and raw onion. When you order jajangmyeon, don't be surprised to see yellow pickled radish, danmuji and raw onion arrive with it. These aren't just decorative, they are essential. Danmuji offers a crisp, tangy, and slightly sweet contrast. Its crunch cleanses your palate, making each bite of the rich noodles feel fresh. Raw onion might seem unusual at first. However, when dipped in a bit of hunjang, the black bean paste, or plain vinegar, it provides a sharp, fresh bite. This helps cut through the sauce's richness. Together, danmuji and raw onion balance the deep flavors of jajangmyeon. These simple additions are a fundamental part of the jajangmyeon experience. Kimchi and other Korean banchan. Beyond danmuji, other Korean side dishes, banchan, also pair wonderfully with jajangmyeon. Adding a bit of spice or fermentation can make your meal even better. Consider serving your jajangmyeon with kimchi. This fermented cabbage offers a spicy, sour, and refreshing kick. The acidity of kimchi cuts through the savory black bean sauce. Kikdagi. Diced radish kimchi provides a similar tangy crunch but with a different texture. Other simple banchan. Lightly seasoned spinach, sagumchi namul, or bean sprouts, kinamul machin, can offer a refreshing, earthy balance. These sides bring different textures and flavors to the table. They turn a simple bowl of noodles into a more complete and traditional Korean meal. Beverage pairings, soju, beer, or soft drinks. What you drink with your jajangmyeon matters too. The right beverage can cleanse your palate and enhance the meal. Here are some popular choices. Soju. This clear Korean spirit is a common pairing with many Korean dishes. Its clean taste effectively washes down the rich sauce. Korean beer. Brands like Cass or Hita crisp and light. Their effervescence can be very refreshing, providing a nice contrast to the heavy noodles. Soft drinks. Sometimes, a simple soda is all you need. Cola or Sprite can offer a sweet, fizzy break from the savory flavors. Whether you prefer something alcoholic or non-alcoholic, there is a perfect drink to complement your jajangmyeon. These pairings complete the dining experience, making each bite even more enjoyable. Jajangmyeon stands as a pillar of Korean comfort food. Its rich history and deep flavors make it more than just a meal. This dish offers a unique blend of savory and sweet, perfectly coating those satisfyingly chewy noodles. Whether you enjoy it on a special occasion or a simple moving day, it connects people through shared experiences. We encourage you to try making this iconic black bean noodle dish at home or find an authentic Korean Chinese restaurant near you. Experience the warmth and tradition that a bowl of jajangmyeon brings. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.